Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So today I am going to be doing a very good hair remedy for healthy hair growth. This is something you have in your house all the time. I am going to be using only two ingredients, warm water and coffee. So I boiled the water and I put it inside this bottle to cool down. This is a overnight hair treatment that you can apply on your hair and leave it till the next morning until you rinse it off. So I have washed my hair and I have tried as much as I can to dry out loads of excess water from my hair, because being that you're going to have this treatment on your hair overnight, you don't really want your hair to be too watery. So I washed my hair about half an hour ago and I tie a t-shirt on my hair and leave it to see if I can take out the excess water out of my hair. The main ingredients of this healthy hair growth is coffee. Coffee is good for healthy hair growth. When you apply coffee, because it has the caffeine in coffee, when you apply it on your hair, it actually makes your hair to be softer and it makes your hair to shine. It brings out your hair color and also encourages healthy hair growth. Caffeine in coffee helps to prevent hair loss and help to repair hair, damaged hair, and also encourages healthy hair growth. So this is absolutely very nice home remedy for you to do on your hair every now and then. So this is my water. I have about 150 ml of water. I am going to add 3 teaspoons of coffee. I have the teaspoon here and I'm going to add 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to close this bottle and shake it properly. So this is the mixture. It does not really take too much time to make. That is it. I know some people doesn't like the smell of coffee. I particularly don't drink coffee. I don't like it, but when it comes to something that will encourages my hair to grow and repair my damaged hair and all that good stuff, I can tolerate it for a night. But I absolutely, if you're like me, this is a torture sometimes to do it, but it is absolutely good for you. So if you can ignore the smell of it and think of what it's gonna do for your hair, that is the main thing right there. So I am going to start applying it on my hair. Like I said, I have already washed my hair already. So I am going to target the root and I'm also targeting the ends, because that is where I have my damaged ends, and the root as well, just to encourages the hair to grow, So I'm gonna put on my root and make sure that this water is not look at that, look at my shirt, and please do not wear shirt that you like. Look, I shouldn't have wear this shirt because I love this shirt. At least wear black shirt, but make sure that the water is not too hot, that is not gonna burn your scalp. This one is really warm. I have absolutely leave it to warm, to cool down a bit. So I'm targeting the ends and I'm targeting the roots. Yeah. So I am done applying this coffee all over my hair, and basically I am going to leave my hair to air dry. I'm doing this now. It is 7 p.m. now, so I'm going to go to bed about 9:30, and I'm going to put my hair back in a bun and just walk around the house and do my cleaning, my vacuum, my dishwasher, everything, and just leave my hair to dry a bit before I go to bed. At least about 9:30 my hair should be not completely dry but reasonable dry, and then I can tie my hair with my scarf, and then I'll go to bed. Then the next morning I will just rinse it off with my Tresemme natural conditioner and water. Basically this is basically it. Yeah, I'm gonna put my hair up like this and just basically tidy up and do my evening cleanup before bed. And yeah, and for this treatment, try and do it at least once or twice a week on your hair, depending on how you wash your hair every week. So yeah, this is all I have to say for this treatment. It is absolutely good for healthy hair growth, or if you're experiencing hair loss and hair shedding. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.